Hi everyone, it's Haiko Dana at the beautiful PG Sports Academy, and today I'm going to bring you a tip and show you how to avoid those blocks and hooks. Okay, so most of the players at an advanced level try to really rotate fast, leaving their club behind. This will cause coming from inside with an open club face and hitting a huge block. So what I want you to do is to grab the club like this, go to the top of the backswing and do this. It's called the pump drill. Why? Because you're pumping your arms really fast down towards the ball. So this will teach you how to give speed to your arms and your body, okay? So now do the same feeling when you hit the ball. I hope this helps you, and visit us at the PG Sports Academy.